Madam Dragon is a teacher in the special dragon school. She teaches little dragons all the things that dragons need to know. Zog is the biggest dragon. He wants to win a golden star.
If you do your best, you'll win with a golden star.
All the dragons are learning how to fly.
Hi, way up in the sky.
Zog goes off to practice flying fast and free, but then he crashed into a tree. Then a little hare goes by.
Oh, don't cry. Do you want a sticky plaster for your head?
What's a good idea? And he flies up and up, zigzagging through the sky. Hare goes by and injured to the dragons learn how to roar.
More landed in the floor. Know that your pen so you can practice on your own.
Zog goes off to practice. He roars with all his force, but then his throat goes hot. The girl comes by again.
What's rotten luck? Do you want a peppermint to suck? What a good idea!
And with freezing fumes, he zigzags.
Red earth fire, not snow. Not that your dreams so you can practice on your own. Zog goes off to practice. He blocks which edge is first, but then his wing tip caught a light. The girl comes by again.
Oh, dragon, do you want a nice bandage for your wings? What a good idea!
And what is bandage floppy? He sank to the sky.
A year goes by, and in year 4 the dragons learn how to capture a princess.
How to capture a princess?
Zog goes off the practice.
Oh no, I'll never win a golden star.
Do you know that I am Princess Bear? Perhaps you want to capture me.
What a good idea.
And up and off they go, zigzagging through the sky.
Ah, our first princess so far. Congratulations, Zog, you will won a golden star.
Some time went by and a girl named comes by.
My name is Garwood. I want to rescue Princess. You can't. Fine. Oh no, she's.
Stop! Don't rescue me.
I don't want to be a princess. I want to be travel here and there, listening to purple chest and reading day maker.
Me too, princess. We.
Of course!
But how the two of your clown fit up?
I want to join the crew. If you want, I can be your ambulance and carry you.
Then up and off they fly, zigzagging through the sky.